Today I am going to be reviewing and demonstrating what I feel is to be the best staple puller on the market today. In fact, this has been the best staple puller on the market for the last 30 years, possibly longer. This is called the Berries Staple Puller. Now, the last time I checked, the Berries Staple Puller was available on Amazon for $22.95. I've been using this particular Berries probably for 20 years. It's not the first one I ever purchased. I have broken a couple of them because I tried to take out staples that were way too huge for what this is intended. I have used this, well, not this particular one, but I have used a Berries staple puller to remove staples that actually hold frames together. Not a good idea. This is intended to remove staples that hold upholstery on. The way you use this tool, it comes with two prongs there, and they just go underneath the staple. You push it in. You can use the back side as a lever to pry this up. You can slide it right in these grooves. You can slide your staples into those grooves. Use this to pry on as a lever, and you can pull it right out. This is a piece of pine that I'm using just for demonstration purposes. 90% of the time, furniture is hardwood and they come on a little more difficult. In those cases, you can use a mallet. You can see where I've used a mallet on this tool. I use one quite regular. Try to get where you can see this here. Now you can get your tool positioned. Use the mallet. Just enough to get under the staple. Pry it up. And in this case it broke. Now that is quite common in hardwood. When a staple breaks, like this one has, you can take it out the rest of the way with a pair of side cutters by just gripping the upper end and pulling it out. Very often in a hardwood furniture frame, these staples want to break almost every time. So what I like to do is just pull it in enough to pull it up just a little bit, and then grab the whole staple with my side cutters. Another nice feature of this tool is it also works on tacks. Now, it's not specifically designed for tacks, and it's certainly not advertised as a tack puller, but it does work for them. Very often, when you are reupholstering a chair or a sofa, it may have been reupholstered several times prior. In that case, you're apt to find staples and tacks in the same frame. And sometimes it gets to be kind of a hassle if you have to keep switching between tools. And I'll show you how this also works on tacks. I've got a couple of tacks here in this pine board. Basically, you just take the prong end, slip underneath the head of the tack, and pry it up. Now, if this was a piece of hardwood, you may want to use your mallet, and you might have to hammer on that a little bit to get it up. And there again, you can also use a pair of side cutters to get underneath the head and to completely pull it out of the wood. So there you go, folks. If you're going to be stripping down furniture for reupholstering, you're going to be dealing with a whole lot of staples and a few tacks. The Barry staple puller, invaluable tool for anybody that's doing more than just one or two sofas or chairs. I'm going to have the link to this tool in the description. At the time of this video, it was available on Amazon for $22.95. Obviously, prices are subject to change. But if you're interested in this little tool, please click on the link. It really helps the channel. And I thank you for supporting an American craftsman. This is Mike from the MJ Ames & Furniture Company, and thanks for watching.